Hello, students for grade 4. I am Mr. Amr Mustapha, and this is our first lesson on grade 4. Let's start with a revision on what we took on the previous year. Firstly, we have to review some problems just like that. Okay, complete. 32,621 plus 18,709. We are adding this number with this number. We have to add ones with ones and tens with tens and hundreds with hundreds and so on. We may be adding by the vertical way, just like that, 8,709 plus 32,621. 9 plus 1 equal 10. I don't write all 10, but I write 10 and take 1 over 0. 1 plus 0 equal 1, and 1 plus 1 equal 2. 7 plus 6 equal, we put 7 on our mind and 6 on our fingers, and let's count. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I don't write all 13. I write 3, just 3 and 1 over 8. I have to put the comma. 1 plus 8 equal 10. 10 plus 2 equal, just a moment. 1 plus 8 equal 9. 9 plus 2 equal 11. 1 and 1 over 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 3 equal 5. The product is 51,320. I can adding by this way, 9 plus 1 and 0 plus 2 and 7 plus 6 and 8 plus 2 and 1 plus 3. Just what you like to do or the favorite way for you. Okay? Okay. 30,000 equal what hundreds? I have to write 30,000. 30,000. 30 and 1,000 is 3 zeros or have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 30 and 1,000, 3 zeros. Hundreds have 2 zeros. I have to cancel 1 0 by 1 0 and 1 0 by 1 0. Remain 300. So 3,000 equal 300 hundreds. Yeah, it's clear. So 30,000, I write it 30 and 1,000, 3 zeros, and hundreds, 100s have 2 zeros. I cancelled 2 zeros with 2 zeros. Okay, remaining 300. The next problem, the perimeter of rectangle, which we see or which we saw on the diagram. Length is 6 centimeter and width is 2 centimeter. We have to put our base for the perimeter. The perimeter of rectangle equal L plus W all times 2. Okay. L mean length, the largest side, and width mean the shortest side. The rectangle has two sides or two pairs sides equal. This centimeter and the opposite is 6 centimeter. 2 centimeter, the opposite is 2 centimeter. Okay. So L plus width, length plus width, all times 2. L is 6 plus width 2 times 2. I have to adding 6 plus 2 equal 8, and 8 times 2 equal 16. So I have to adding first 6 plus 2 equal 8, and 8 times 2 equal 16. Okay. Another way, 7 times 5 equal 35. The division is the opposite of multiplication. So 35 divided by 5 equal 7. And 35 divided by 7 equal 5. Okay? Okay. So the product is 5. Number B. 3,000 plus 829. It's about mental. So I have 3 zeros in ones, tens, hundreds, and there are a number ones, tens, hundreds. So when I will adding them, I put 9 in ones, 2 in ones, 8 in ones, because these 8 or 829 plus 3 zeros equal the same number, and 3,000 is alone plus nothing equal 3,000. So the answer is 3,829. Okay. Number C, 8 times equal 8 times 5 plus 8 times 2. We have 8 as a constant. It's repeat on here and here and here. 5 and 2, I will adding them to become 5 plus 2 is 7. It's about the distribution property, which we took it on grade 3. 8 times 7, I can write 7 as 5 plus 2, so I will times 8 in or times 5 and 8 times 2. I distribute adding on multiplication, okay? This distribution property, which we took in grade or on grade 3, okay? So the correct answer is 7. The area of the shape, this shape, he wants the area of it. Perimeter from outside, but area from inside. And to get the area of this shape, I will divide it to 2 shapes. Square, 4, this side also 4 centimeter, and this 4 centimeter. And the other shape, this, become a rectangle, have 2 sides, 6 and 2. I will get the area of square and the area of rectangle and adding them with each other to get the product. The area of the square equal side S times itself or times S equal 4 times 4 equal 16. And the area of rectangle equal L times W, length times width. So equal 6 times 2. So length, the largest side, and width, the smallest side, equal to 6 times 2 equal 12. I have to adding 16 plus 12. 6 plus 2 equal 8, and 1 plus 1 equal 2, 28, the correct answer. Okay? Okay. The greatest number formed from this number 7, 2, 0, 6, 8. He want the greatest number. So I will start with the greatest number from left. It's right and it's left. I will start from left. The greatest number of this number is 8. So I will write 8 and mark it. After that, 7. I will write 7 and mark it. So after that, 6. I will mark it. After that, 1 or 0 or 2, 2 and mark it. Remaining 0 and 1, so 1 and mark it. After that, 0 and put your comma. So the correct answer is 876,210. Okay, okay. Let's complete our revision with another problems. Arrange the following numbers from least to greatest, from the smallest number to the greatest number. I have to count all the numbers, and the number which have the smallest digits is the smallest, and the number which have or which has the more digits is the largest, and I will compare the similar digits about number. Let's solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's contain from 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number contains from 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. So the smallest number may be 8 or that, because these are number which has the least digits or the small digits or the least digits. Okay, okay. I will compare from the left. This is 4 and this is 5. What is the smallest? Of course, the smallest is 4, not 5. So I will start with 43,692. Okay, and mark it. So I will take it after that because it's the smallest digits. 56,210. So I have 3 numbers which has 6 digits. What or where the smallest number? I will compare from the left. 5, 6, 1. Which is the smallest digits? 1 or 6 or 5? Of course, 1. So I will take 171,000. After that, 2 digits, 6 or 5, so 5. 500, 6,021. So it's remaining 650,201. Okay, it's easy. Okay. Adding and subtracting, I think it's more easier than anything. 6 plus 5. I put 6 on my mind and 5 on my finger. And I count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1. And I have another 1 on 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9 equal 12. 2. And I have 1 over 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0 equal 9. Put the comma. 3 plus 5 equal 8. 4 plus 2 equal 6. Subtracting 3 minus 1 equal 2. 6 minus 8, it's impossible. So I will take 1 from 2 to become 1. And the one which I take, I put it beside 6 to become 16. 16 minus 8, I will count from 8 to 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, it's 8 number which I count. 8 here. 1 minus 0 equal 1. I put the comma. 7 minus 4 equal 3. So 7 times 7 equal 49. It's the timetable. 9 times 3,000. Any zeros on multiplication go outside. I have 3 zeros, it's out. Remaining 3 times 7, 27. 27,000. Okay. I said we have to remember the place value and the difference between place value and value, only value. For example, this number, 384,042. I call these ones and 0 tens and 4 hundreds. It's 3 number or these 3 number. I call it period. And these are another period which have 4 and 8 and 3. 4 act as ones but thousands once, and 8 10 thousands and 300 thousands. So 4 1 of thousands and 8 10 thousands and 300,000. Let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Okay? Okay. It's an exercise to compare between place value and value. So I said place value. I ask the number. Where are you stay on any place ones or tens or hundreds or thousands or 10,000 or 100,000 and so on. The question said write the place value and the value of the colored digits with a red color. Okay? Okay. Place value of 9 here is, let's take it step by step. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here, place value thousands. But value, I will make a shadow for 9, shadow under 9, and go right, and any number I meet it, or I met it, I put, and instead of it, 0, 0, instead of 2, and 0 instead of 8, and 0 instead of 5. So 9,000. Okay? Here, place value of 5. Let's take it step by step. Ones, 5, tens. So place value of 5 is tens. But the value, I make a shadow for 5 and take right or my root to right. I met 9. I put instead of it 0. So the value is 50. 2. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So I write 10. Just a moment. Thousands. Okay. But the value, also value, I make a shadow for 2 and say, and walk right. I make 9, 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So I have 4 zeros. And don't forget the comma. Okay. 0. Place value of it is ones, tens, 100. So hundreds. And the value of it, if I make a shadow and put 0, 0, it's 3 zeros. In the end, it's 0. Okay. It's solving on the other place here. The solution of these problems. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will let million for the another lesson. I am happy for meeting you and speak to you. See you soon, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Mr. Amr Mustafa, and this is my information. Thank you and goodbye.